Hey, my name is Bryan Sapot. I'm the founder and CEO of SensorTracks. Today we're going to talk about what SensorTracks really does at its core. What's the real benefit that manufacturers see from SensorTracks? And it's increased capacity. Being able to produce more with the same amount of resources. So same machines, same number of operators, same number of workers. Everything else that SensorTracks does, the ability to eliminate downtime, the ability to increase the good product produced and decrease scrap, and then also to be able to increase performance, are all really tools to increase capacity. And SensorTracks really lets you find all of the inefficiencies. They bring the inefficiencies to light that causes excess downtime, causes those increased scrap rates, and causes slow production, so that your operators, managers, maintenance team, quality, and the manufacturing engineers can work on solving these problems together, focusing their time on where they can really increase capacity. And with increased capacity comes increased profitability. For example, if you now can make, because of increased capacity, if you can produce in 5 days what used to take you 7, now you no longer have to run mandatory overtime on the weekends, which puts more money on the bottom line. So at its core, SensorTracks is a tool to find and eliminate issues in the production process that are decreasing your capacity. Everything else that SensorTracks does allows you to find those things, look at the different data points that are causing those problems, and then eliminate them to increase capacity.